Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. It is Sunday, and it is time for a shave. I've got 2 days worth of growth, and I am ready to mow it down. Today's shave soap is Pipe Smoke. Shave Soap Pipe Smoke by Wet the Face. And this is a beautiful, nice, aromatic blend of like a pipe tobacco. And I know a lot of times people are like, ooh, why would you want to smell like an ashtray? Well, it's when you open up the pipe tobacco in the package, that initial whiff, that's what it is. It's not burning tobacco. And here's what the pour looks like. And to me, if you are like a tub lather, be cautious if you're new to the Wet the Face scene, because it's more of a kind of a toothpaste consistency. Today's razor is going to be the PAA Artifact, and I have a Gillette Nacet loaded in there. I like the little embossing on the top of that. And I have the soap already whipped up in the Captain's Choice copper bowl, along with my Trotter's Handcraft. Now this is my original Trotter's Handcraft brush, and there's the lather. The lather whips up very nicely, easy to figure out. If you watched my how to lather video, you'll know that once you kind of get your technique down, you should be able to kind of figure out any lather or any soap to lather with. And, you know, you hear people say there's certain soaps that they just can't lather. And if you find that you're having problems with all your soaps, it may be a water issue. But check out that video if you haven't seen it. I'll have a link in the description below on how to lather. I'm going to warm the razor up and get to mowing this stuff down. Did you notice? Got a fresh haircut too. It's about 15 minutes old. Ooh, that's nice. Near baby butt. And I may get blooper. I did get a blooper. No, I was going to say I may get a phone call. Kind of expecting one from my brother here shortly. And maybe I'll have this video done before he calls me. If not, there'll be a little edit there. Well, Christmas is over, and now we are approaching the next holiday, New Year's. Can you believe it? Where has the time gone? I feel like I might have. I think I did. I think I got myself right there. Too much pressure. I felt it. That's the one thing about this razor. It's very light. And so you're used to the kind of heft and feel. And I got myself. No, that's not one, but that's definitely one. That's kind of that area where I've got some hairs that go in crazy directions. Little weeper never hurts anybody. If you've seen Sig Solo's video the other day, you'll know that he got, I can't remember the name of that razor now, but it was Yachi. And I made he had, it found a few moles, you know. So I jokingly said, you know, the name of that razor translates to mole remover. That's a terrible joke. But with any razor, you just gotta, you know, be a little precautious and learn it. You would think they're all the same, but they are a little different. So some of them have the super mild characteristics and others have the I'm gonna get you. You can see that came right through there. It'll be just fine. I want to blame it on the Nacet blade, but I know it was me, the user. I shouldn't have been laughing and poking at Sig Solo's video. That's what I get, little karma. All right, I'm going to get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back. Well, the shave is coming to an end. I feel like I got a little splashy with the water in the ears. I'm going to be using the Matching Splash. And I don't know if you can see there in the bottom. It's like a little lava lamp. But I believe those are the scent oils. So I'm going to give this thing a little bit of a shake. I want to make sure that is well dispensed. And it may just be safflower seed oil. I don't know. All right, let's get a little splash of this dash. Scent scale, not super strong. I'd probably give it, you know, a halfway mark. Get a little bit of star jelly here. I'm gonna wrap this shave up pretty quickly here. Keep getting all these alerts on my phone. Our kids like to use Snapchat, and so I have a Snapchat account. Have had one for quite some time. And I created a family group, so anytime somebody messages or looks at it, and you got all these little heads popping up, and then it always tells you. But anyway, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used, and I will see you guys on the next shave video. You have a great rest of your weekend, and Happy New Year.